Hi there guys, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. Thanks very much for joining us again today. I've got a very short video for you today that'll show you how to connect your domain to Weebly. So before I get into it, if Weebly is something you want to try and if it's something you're going to check out, then you can click the link in the description for this video that'll take you straight to a free trial version of Weebly. And so you can try it all out for absolutely free. So that link is just down below. And yeah, it's very simple. So when you're in the website editor for Weebly, this is kind of, default, you'll be in build mode at the top here. But if you go to settings, right there, it'll open this wizard when you first create the site as well. So, if for whatever reason you've made your website already and you didn't engage with that process, or you couldn't at the time for whatever reason, but when you first make a website, it'll ask you, to connect a URL to it. You can see that it's actually the first option here at the top of the general tab of settings is to actually change the site address. So yeah, that'll allow you to connect your domain and just type it in there. And then you'll go through a process then of verifying it, and depending on where you've got your domain purchased, you'll need to go through a process dependent on which provider that is that you've bought it with. We've got tutorials on the channel specific to each of those providers. So we've got a GoDaddy one that just went up a little while ago, so you can check those out as well if you want specific guides. But it's fairly intuitive and fairly useful and fairly straightforward. It comes with a guide in this wizard, so if you just follow it, and once you've completed that process, it'll take 48 hours to take effect. So it's a 2-day thing, or up to 48 hours. So yeah, that's it. That's how you get at that setting, and that concludes the tutorial. So if you want to use Weebly for whatever reason, and you want to check it out, then you can click a link down below in the description of the video. If you've enjoyed the video and you want to see more content of this nature, give us a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you've got any questions or comments or anything like that, leave them down below as well. Thank you very much.